Well, hello. Today I have received another great stuff, and this thing is a TDA8946 amplifier, and it is 2 times 30 watt peak power. So in a manual it says that it has 15 watt RMS per channel. Well, it seems very low, but believe me, this thing works great, and it won't to tear my speakers out. These are I using here, you can see these are my Sony speakers from an old stereo, and it was they are 60 watt, and whoa, these things really blow them away. It's very powerful. It's a TDA, and it works on 12 volt and really do this job well. And this model has here mic inputs, so, and here you can regulate the mic input, and well, here you can regulate treble, bass, and master volume. This is all, but really these things works, so I am amazed with that. It has a really big cooling radiator behind on the chip, and yeah, I can't say much bad things for this little amplifier. Great stuff. Man, this thing is awesome.